Teachers and creators transform textbooks into engaging lessons students love. Education is changing, and HeyGen leads the revolution. Students are digital natives learning better through video, yet quality content was always expensive and time-consuming. HeyGen puts professional production in your hands. Upload lesson plans or PDFs. Watch them become dynamic content with AI presenters explaining clearly. Avatars serve as digital teaching assistants available 24/7, delivering consistent instruction worldwide. Perfect for online courses, flipped classrooms, distance learning. Students pause, rewind, review at their pace with avatar guides. Multilingual capabilities reach diverse language speakers, making education accessible. Corporate training creates standardized materials, ensuring quality instruction regardless of location. Update materials instantly without reshooting programs. Interactive features enable real-time student engagement. Revolutionize your educational content today. Find your exclusive discount code and link in the description and comments below. Like and subscribe for educational technology breakthroughs.